Hello students! In the previous video, we derived quadratic formula which we can use to find out roots of quadratic equation. The formula was x equal to minus b plus or minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Now students, observe carefully the term which is present under the square root. Yes, it is b square minus 4ac. This expression is called as discriminant D for the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now this expression is called discriminant because it can discriminate and tell us whether equation has real roots or real but equal roots or no roots. Therefore, discriminant D of quadratic equation is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now students, when we put the values and solve it to get the value of D, there can be three possible values. 1. If the value of D is greater than 0. That is, b square minus 4ac solves to be a positive number. In that case, the quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots of the form x1 equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and x2 equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In the second possibility, if d is equal to 0, that is if b square minus 4ac solves equal to 0, in this case there will be two roots, but both the roots will be numerically equal. Now as we said, b square minus 4ac becomes 0. So we can substitute this in our quadratic formula and we get x equal to minus b plus or minus under root 0 upon 2a, which is equal to minus b upon 2a plus or minus 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus 0 or minus b upon 2a minus 0. And as you can observe in both the cases, x has equal values minus b by 2a. In third case, if d is less than 0, that is, if b square minus 4ac solves to be a negative integer, then equation will have no real roots in this case. Thus, we don't have to solve that equation any further. Thus, we can say that value of discriminant D equal to b square minus 4ac can determine the nature of roots without even actually finding them. Now, this makes task little easy, students. Since we come to know that whether an equation will have roots or not, we can really decide whether we want to solve it any further or not. So what we have seen is discriminant D of the quadratic equation. Its formula is b square minus 4ac, and it helps in deciding whether the given equation will have real roots or not. And if equation has a real root, what kind of roots it will have? Well, what we have to do is from the equation find out the values of a, b and c. Substitute them in the formula and find t. As you can see in the formula, b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term. Now you think about this more and we will see you in the next video with some examples where we can use this formula.